The 22nd edition of our annual school magazine was unveiled with great pride and honor, graced by the esteemed presence of Shri Gian Chand Gupta, the Speaker of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. The magazine encapsulates the spirit of teamwork and the belief that collective efforts lead to unstoppable success. Shri Gian Chand expressed appreciation for the school's diverse activities and commendable work. He praised the school's activities and initiatives that contribute to holistic education, shaping well-rounded individuals ready to face the challenges of the future. On this occasion, a member of the School Management Committee, Colonel N.R. Babbarwal, Joint Registrar, Haryana and Punjab High Court, Mr. Naveen Sharma, School Principal Dr. Piyush Punj, Chief Editor Mrs. Paramjeet Kaur, and Ms. Tamanna from IT Department were present at the moment.